As a free user, this is the absolute beauty about it. You do not have to buy any of these upsells. I have spent the last 1 month researching and trying out the Rapid Profit Machine so that you don't have to and you can decide for yourself just by watching this video. The Rapid Profit Machine is a 95% done-for-you affiliate marketing business. It is a fully automated business set up and running for you on autopilot. It is perfect for beginners or seasoned affiliate marketers or anyone looking for a proven affiliate marketing product to promote. It is 100% absolutely free and by far one of the top affiliate marketing programs out there. So this is a very quick snapshot of the entire Rapid Profit Machine, or also known as RPM's entire funnel. You don't need any kind of technical skills. You don't need to create your own websites. You don't need to write your own emails or even spend hours of setting this entire system up. Everything is literally done for you with a push of a button. As you can see, I'll deep dive into all of this and what it means at a later stage. But what's important to note here is that this entire system is powered by Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing tool. So let's just take a look what it looks like inside. What it is ultimately is it has literally every single tool that you need for an online business. All right, there's over 40 tools here. There are things like website builder, funnel builder, autoresponders, chatbots, and many other things that you need. But the reason why Builderall is important is because this entire system, RPM, is powered by an auto tag technology that only Builderall has, and is actually done by their #1 affiliate, who is also known as James-Neville Taylor, who is the founder of Rapid Profit Machine. As you can see, he is #1 here, and they are saying that he has earned more than $500,000 in 2020. So I think in 2022, it will be around 800 to, if not $1 million. All right, so he is a highly credible individual with a fascinating story from suicidal addict to a very successful affiliate marketeer. So looking into the dashboards here, you can see he is right here, James-Neville Taylor, and you look at the points, right? He is by far the #1, and in fact, he's almost like double the points compared to #2 and #3, which is absolutely mind-blowing, all right? And you can see from the top affiliate of the month, he is also #1. So why is this important? It's important because this individual is the creator of Rapid Profit Machine. And what we know is that he is not only successful, he's also a proven affiliate marketeer doing extremely well. Coming back to the RPM funnel, we're going to focus on the first half of the funnel, which looks just like this. And what happens is there's 3 different types of opt-in pages that they provide you. I'm currently using this, so if you follow the link below, this is exactly what you see. All you need to do is enter your email address. Make sure to stay till the end because I'm offering some insane bonuses. So once you actually submit your email address, you will get into the welcome page where James will kind of talk you through how RPM system works and a little bit about his story. And the next step after that is you will definitely need to sign up for a Builderall account because, as mentioned, this entire system is powered by Builderall. So there is a 14-day free trial provided and you can cancel it at any time. The next step here is that you just need to set up your RPM, which just takes a few minutes. And one of the best things about this RPM funnel is whether you're paid or free, you also get 100 free clicks. You just simply need to follow a few simple steps. James will put you into a rotator where they will provide you with 100 free traffics to begin with. Lastly, they will ask you to join the Facebook page, which is pretty great. Alright, so we'll go through each one by one, but firstly let's focus about Builderall sign up because this is where the magic happens. Now, assuming that you have already signed up with us and you are a RPM free member, this is exactly the steps that every user that you promote to will go through. Now, at the very start of this funnel, they will sign up with Builderall. So they will also get a 14-day free trial. And assuming that one of your contacts purchased the Builderall after the 14-day trial, you earn 100% commission for the first month, which is worth $79.90 USD. And then the second, third month, fourth month, fifth month onwards, you will earn a 30% recurring income, which is worth $21.57. You will continuously earn this for as long as the person that you recommended into Builderall continues using Builderall. And one of the beauties about Builderall is that they also have a second tier system, which means that, for example, you join Builderall through me, I will earn 100%, and then you then recruit somebody else to join under you, I would earn 30%. And the same goes for you as well from the person that you recommended. So it's a really neat system. So as you can see here, personal sales, 100% commission on the first month. And then recurring income you get is about 30%. And then the second tier recurring commission is what you earn when somebody else that you recommended to recommends to you. You will earn also 30%. So to help visualize this, this is quite a neat feature that you will find on the Builderall dashboard, so earnings calculator. So assuming that we have, say, we are only able to recruit, let's just say 12 affiliates in 1 year, right? So that will give me about $258 of monthly recurring income. Earlier I said that you earn 100% commission, right? So this is not taking into consideration the $70 times 12 just yet, right? So this only takes into consideration month 2 onwards. Now imagine this, okay, that you managed to find 12 affiliates under you, right, in 1 year, and each person just brings in 1 affiliate. Check the numbers, 500. Now imagine if they brought 6 each, right? So you can already see how powerful this is. Easily you are earning a recurring income commission of 1.8 thousand. And of course, you can keeps on going more, the harder that you actually push. So this is why the Builderall platform is super powerful, and why this is such a great front-end offer that everyone wants to promote. So when it comes to setting up the RPM system, it is super easy. If you are using the free system, all you need to do is literally get onto Builderall page right here, navigate down to apps and look for marketplace. All right, now the page is loaded. You can see here, commissions up to $255 is the bare minimum, and you can earn all the way up to $800, right? So to promote this product as a free user is super simple. All you need to do is click promote, copy this link. This link is yours, so whenever you recommend anyone makes a purchase, you make the commission. So as I shared earlier, this is the exact same funnel link that you will be signing in the link below. So just take a look. And the beauty about this is completely yours. So the next thing is, once you set up your RPM, you will also get 100 free clicks, which is absolutely amazing. That is easily worth $100, $150, all right? And you could potentially even get sales just from this. So basically what James does is, just to help you get started, he will help you with the first 100 clicks or traffic onto your landing page. So the last part is you also get access to the Facebook page, which is amazing. You can see there's over 7,000 members in this specific page, and it's really great because it's a great community. So you can see right here, 3 hours ago, someone is saying that they made their first commission, which is worth about $71. All right, so you'll see lots and lots of this kind of communities. Here someone says after 14 days, they managed to earn 246. Let's take a look. So there's a ton of support that you can get here. It's a really good, it's a really great Facebook page. People are there to really help you out. They also share with you all the different types of results that they get to also help motivate you and things like that. So this right here, this kid managed to earn, let's take a look, how much was this? He managed to make over $3,767 in a month. And if you can see on this right hand side here, he said that he barely did anything. But the commissions kept coming in. So this is how powerful the Rapid Profit Machine is. It's a highly active Facebook group. So this is the second half of the funnel. So once you have signed up for RPM and also signed up for a Builderall account, this is the next thing that is 100% optional upgrade. The first upsell is basically James secret traffic sources. All right, that is worth $27, and also a downsell of just $7, which is just half of the entire traffic sources secrets that you have. The second upsell is what is called RPM Pro, which is really important. It costs you almost $70 monthly. However, you get to earn 100% of the entire funnel's commission. So for example, if you recommended somebody into the system and they purchased this upsell $27, you earns $27. If someone also buys the RPM Pro from you, you earn an additional recurring income of almost $70 on top of what you are earning from the recurring income from Builderall. And the next upsell is giving you 3 additional income stream plus 30 automated email sequence, which means that When you sign up for the free version, you get 14 free emails, and on top of that 14 free emails, once it's done, it will automatically pull this 30 emails and start promoting these 3 additional income streams without you having to do anything. And this is worth $97. And the last upsell is worth almost $300. And basically what it is 4 different lead generation softwares plus multiple 7-figure key trainings that you can get. Now personally for me, what I did was I bought the first upsell because I thought it was valuable. I've also, after about 2 weeks to 3 weeks, and I saw that everything's working well, I actually also bought the RPM Pro, of course at 100% commission, and I've also bought the third upsell, which is the 3 additional income streams, right? Because it's a business. I mean, what's the point of doing this if you're not going to go all in? Now on the last upsell, I haven't just yet. I'm saving my money for that one. Maybe later I might consider. I'm trying these out. As a free user, this is the absolute beauty about it. You do not have to buy any of these upsells because it's 100% optional. So what happens if you recommended someone and someone decides to buy? Well, if someone that you recommended actually buys, you earn 50% commission for whichever of these that they actually bought, right? However, if you upgrade it to the RPM Pro, like I said, you immediately unlock 100% commission, which means that if that person that you recommended bought every single one, you are literally earning 100% commission for each of these, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So this is a quick sneak peek inside the RPM members area. So as you can see, James will walk you through every single thing that you need to do step by step, really simple. And what's one of the best things about this is that you get free training, affiliate marketing basics, Facebook marketing, solo ads, so on and so forth. You get several resources. You can buy traffic directly from the system itself. You can find different promotion materials to promote and things like that. So let's just take a look, whether it's creative banners, images that you can use. So here's a few examples. There are also contests and prizes, which is absolutely great. So definitely check that section out. And then it will also show you the different purchases that you made. So if you didn't buy anything, don't worry about it. You won't be able to see this, but you will get to access everything else, which is super valuable. To summarize, Rapid Profit Machine is a 95% done for you affiliate marketing business with free training included. You don't need any technical skills, no website building required, not even writing your own emails. Everything is literally done for you. All you need to do is go to the link below, register for your free RPM account, as well as a 14-day Builderall trial, and get your link, then you can start promoting. Okay, RPM free gives you 50% commission. You don't need to spend a single cent. However, if you do upgrade to RPM Pro, you will be entitled to up to 100%. When you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get 3 of my bonuses. The first one is free affiliate marketing boss course that's worth almost $2,000. The second is 1 hour one-on-one coaching or setup call with me, which is absolutely priceless. I don't usually offer this. And of course, the last one is my personal email address. That way I can help you out whenever you have any kind of questions. The affiliate marketing boss course that I'm giving away as part of my bonus is done by Chad Bartlett, who is the #2 Builderall super affiliate. As you can see, it has everything, basic training, done for you funnels that you can download and plug for different niches, or Builderall, Traffic Vault, which is the most valuable, YouTube ads, Facebook, Google, bonus trainings that you can find, coaching replays, and many others. Let me know in the comments below if you find this information useful, and come back next week for more videos on RPM.